Hey everybody, welcome back. I want to share something with you guys today that's very important. Oftentimes we get into properties where there's been a flood. People have gone on vacation and we can't tell you how many times we've seen it. People leave town for the night or for 2 or for a week and they come home to a flooded mess. So we're going to take some time just to kind of show you guys how to avoid that and how simple it can be to take care of that, to be cautious. Let me show you. Okay, so here we are. We're at the water meter. This is usually located by the curb. Simply pop this off, remove it, locate the water valve, which is right here on your picture. Take that, turn it clockwise, and that'll shut your water off. Then you want to go to a valve inside maybe your kitchen or your bathroom, turn it on, release the pressure, and then you should be good to go. But once you get back from your vacation or your stay or your extended stay, come back, repeat that process in the reverse rotation, and your water pressure should be back. Do this to help prevent from any costly water damage that might occur. All right, well that's it. It's that simple. Thanks again and stay tuned for more tips.